contact Google Support Live Chat, let's open your browser and search this link, which will lead you to this page. Remember that you can only get in touch with Google Support Live Chat if you are a eligible creator. Google doesn't really support live chats unless you are part of the YouTube Partner Program. But if you are not, you can still access their Google support through this method. You can see here that you can contact them through computer, Android, iPhone, and iPad. Just click this email drop-down menu and you will see the languages where Google Support Live Chat is available. Only English and Spanish are available 24/7 through Monday to Friday. You can click this link and sign in. After that, just scroll down and you will see this need more help, and you can ask for the help of the community. In the help community, you can scroll down and see different categories and questions that will have answers to them. So if you are not an eligible creator, you can't access Google Support Live Chat, but you can get the help from their community. You can simply explore this to get answers to your questions. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.